Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a pencil skirt. It is beginner friendly, so let's get started. So to start off, I'll be folding my fabric into two, just like so. And after folding my fabric into two, I'll just be reeling a straight line that will serve as my waistline, and from there I'll be placing my total length of my skirt plus allowances. So here I'll be adding just 1 inches allowances to my length, so that will be my actual length is 19 that I want, so plus 1 inches, that is 20 inches. So that's what I'll be going for, and I'll be making a line along that particular side. So guys, after that I'll just place my hip measurement, which is around 7.5 to 8 inches or thereabout. So I'll just be placing 8 inches just like so, and I'll be making a straight line around that. So after that I'll be placing my horizontal measurement, which is my waist measurement divided by 2, and that is 7 inches because my waist measurement is 28 inches. So here I noticed that the folding is not enough, so I'll just go ahead and elongate it kind of. So this is it. Now I'll just be reinserting my measurements, my waist measurement. So guys, I will just go ahead and reinsert my waist measurements, which is 7. So for the hip measurement it is 10 because my hip measurement is 40. So after doing that, before I go to the knee side, which is also the length of the skirt, I'll place my dart measurement, and I'll be adding 1 inches for the dart intake and 1.5 inches for the sewing allowance. I hope you understand. So here for the hip I'll add just 1.5 inches for the sewing allowance. So whatever I have here, I'll just take 1.5 inches out of it from the waist measurement because I want it to be very pencil. It's a pencil skirt. It's a pencil short straight skirt. No, I don't know, maybe you understand what I'm saying. It's a pencil one. You want it to be very shapy and all that. So I'll just be using my cuff to connect my lines just like that, and I'll be connecting it like that. So basically this is like how easy it is. It's very easy. So here for the front I'll just go down by 1/2 inch like so, and I'll be connecting it to the sideline of the waist like I'm doing. Like, I hope you understand what I'm doing. So guys, this is a short, so let me say a short pencil skirt. So you understand it's actually before the knee. This particular one is before the knee, so that's why like I don't actually have to place one knee measurement on any of that like so again. So the next thing I'm doing, just I'll be cutting it out. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Like, this is a short skirt, not a long skirt whereby you have to place your knee measurement, all that kind of thing. So here is just a short skirt, so I don't need to place my knee measurement because even this skirt is right above the knee. So I'll be cutting it out like that, and the next thing I'll be doing is that I'll be placing my front, because this is my front. I'll be placing it like so, with this particular fabric to unfold, and mind you, I'll not be taking in any 1/2 inch out of the back, so I'll place it in like that with extra 2 inches allowances towards the back, which is served as my zipper allowance. So basically the only thing you want to do is just to arrange your fabric well, and you just have to cut it out just like that. Notice where your your dart measurement, like just notch the area for the dart. So guys, making a short skirt is very easy to to do. It's very easy to make. Nothing hard, nothing, no really a big technique around it. So guys, after that I'll be working with my zipper allowance. This is totally optional. Like, for beginners you might not actually need this, but for me I just like to go in with 1/2 inch from that back, for the zipper bulge. So I'm going down by 7 inches like that, and from that 7 inches I'll just be like, I just want the back side to sit well on my bum. So I'll just go down by 14 inches, and just look at what I'm doing. I'm taking half of an inch from above, and as well as half of an inch from this 14 inches towards the down. So this will make your zipper to sit well on your bum, and kind of a fitting, it will fit well. It will not be kind of bulgy or kind of big or puffy at the back. So basically, this is me notching my that area. So I'll go ahead and cut out the lining exactly the way I cut out the fabric. So here I already cut out my lining. So the next thing is that I'll be joining my lining to the fabric. So I'll be placing the lining on the right side of the fabric, and I'll be joining all the four sides, leaving a tiny hole beside. Just the way I'm demonstrating, I'll be joining everything, like the up, the side, the bottom part. So for one side, I'll just leave a tiny hole so that I will be able to turn my fabric inside out. So guys, here I've already like turned my fabric inside out with a little opening I kept at the side. I'm sorry I didn't show you because I was kind of rushing. So the next thing is that I'll be placing it like so, and I'll be joining the back side, and after that I'll go ahead and stitch the side as well. This particular one doesn't actually need a slit, depending, it doesn't really need a slit, so I didn't even add a slit to this one because it's like a mini skirt. So guys, this is the final look. As you can see, I'll be showing the video on how to make this bralette, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.